AI Learning Hub, your ultimate guide to mastering artificial intelligence. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Or if you're new here, I'm Aysen and I'm so excited you're here. Today, I'm sharing something that could change your future, an incredible resource called the AI Learning Hub. Please make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and give this video a thumbs up so you never miss out on tech that matters. Artificial intelligence is no longer science fiction. It's behind the apps we use, the tools we build, and the jobs that are shaping tomorrow. But here's the real question. Are you ready to learn how to use it? The AI Learning Hub is an all-in-one learning platform designed to help you master AI. Whether you're starting from zero or ready to level up your skills, you will get access to beginner-friendly tutorials, advanced machine learning topics, coding labs, and real-world projects. Whether you want to learn Python, build your own chatbot, or explore deep learning, it's all here. So, why choose this over random YouTube videos or boring textbooks? Because the AI Learning Hub is structured, hands-on, and actually fun. AI is changing everything, jobs, industries, even how we create. And the best part, you don't need to be a math genius or a coder to start. Trust me, if I can break into AI and love it, you can too. The sooner you start, the faster you will stand out, whether it's in tech, marketing, art, or entrepreneurship. Getting started is super easy. Just click the link in the description, sign up, and dive right into the first module. So, what are you waiting for? Start learning the skills of tomorrow today. Join me and thousands of the other curious minds on the AI Learning Hub. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share a video with a friend who needs to see it. And I'll see you inside the hub.